to Las Vegas Modern Kung Fu channel. This is Sifu JJ. Welcome back for the real-time training and tutorial, the Tiger Kung Fu. In this part of the video, we're going to share some technique for basics to achieve the combo with speed and power with intention, how to use it. The Tiger Kung Fu combo, including some technique like Wing Chun Kung Fu, circle punch, the circle palm, Wing Chun kick, blocking, attack. I enjoy a lot when training this combo, as with speed and power, it's all straightforward, one line. It's all attack move, of course, including a defense movement. It's very fun, so follow me and let's start it. For this part of the basics, Chao Quan, from down, go up. This kind like uppercut to cut the chin. So when someone grabbing your arm like this, then you go cha zhang. So your left hand to push the hand from your opponents and push down, and you attack back by the palm. This movement, how you can give a speed and power and really make this connected. So your shoulder should be relaxed, and this is a Chao Quan. So you got to just move your hip and then your arm, shoulder. So that's the power. Once you, as soon as you get this, you go, you push down. The same thing, you twist your hip and also your heel up like this. So you got to go 1, 2. So you got a small move by your hip and your shoulder and also heel. As soon as you get off this, you go. So connect with your circle palms very fast. Just like for daily training with push palm. The palm straight, push out to the forward, and power out this part of your palm. Just attack with your speed. Your left hand will be stay halfway over the arm, and you're switching down. Push palm, power out, and repeat to training and adding speed. To training 50 times a day, you will make progress. Part of the technique is not different than you push palm. So instead you palm power outside of this way, and you gotta do the fist flat and vertical. Your punch is same technique halfway with your speed, but more important is your steps. So let's follow me. Let's see the steps. So soon you get your palm right here. So you got turn your toe, lean back this way, and you twist. Because more you twist and more power. The same time you step, you same time to make your punch. So you go punch right and left and right. So each step with each punch with full power. And the last one, you have even more power. You make a big step. And you go down and you punch the stomach. Very hard. I love this part so much. It's a mix of the Wing Chun technique, also the Tiger technique. So as soon you finish the circle punch and you go blocking your right and blocking your left, you both hand open to make this stance like Wing Chun technique and blocking. You can attack back, elbows, punch, whatever you want to use, right? So after right here, so you quick go down and you both hand go attack by this way, like Tiger hand. When you're landing, you attack this way by Tiger hand. So let's see this together with a slow motion. You punch right here, you say right, blocking, and blocking, and stop your left, so you both arm from right, go up, left just right here, and you go quick, go down, you both hand, you jump this way, and when you land, come back this way. The quick note, when you jump, your left leg kick this way in the air. So when you quick landing, you're landing like horse stance and quick landing your right knee. You don't want to use your knee straight to hit the ground. You might injure your knees. So that's the technique. No matter how high you jump. So that's a safe landing. Let's continue. So this part will have a 3 movements. So kick. After you go blocking, you twist this way, and you go attack back by your arm, and the fist. Knee lift, and kick out. Same time, your both hand. 50 times a day, make progress. The kick needs speed, just like this. The arm strong, like a metal, and it's power. This is a great combination. So after you attack by this way, you quick step back. You step your left back and use elbow and to attack back. And twist, you get shoot a kick, and you use your elbow, attack from top, go down. So this is a two elbows. So the first elbow, you attack back, you rotate and attack from the top, 45, go down. So this is both direction attack movements. So as soon you finish this one, you got to punch your right. This is set punch. The right go like this way, and a quick switch, your left punch. So speed will coming from your steps as well. So you gotta shoot, you go 1, 2. So you step. This is first, and this is the second, and that's this is speed and training. More and more time, you're getting more comfortable with your speed and power. And as soon you finish your elbow, knee down, so you get punch. You step your left, and you make kick. You make slap kick, and your both hand twist, right go down, left go up, become tiger hand, and make your stance. That's all for today. The great content for this Tiger Kung Fu combo. So the daily Kung Fu training is really helped me to make my brain to work faster. My brain is smarter. Also to help me to improve my physically very much. Move much more faster. My waist and my head all coordinate become together, making me feel great, feels younger, feel be happier and healthier. So keep up training, my friend. Last part, we got from the movement 1 until the end. So follow me step by step, doing slow motion. Before that, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button. Both stance, block. Step your right hand to swing this side, your left hand to blocking in this side. And your both hand go up, you hit the floor, stand up, your right foot become fist, make a circle, go behind, and you go 抽拳, and you push back, and you push palm. 1, 2, 3. Twist. Step left, punch your right, and 2, and punch 3. And last one, stand up, blocking, right, left. Arm go up, high, empty stance. Hit the floor, both hand, jump, and tiger hand. Quick stand up, snap kick, blocking, attack, both hand, elbow back, twist, elbow down, punch right, punch left, step your left, snap kick, both hand twist, tiger hand. Hope you enjoyed the video, my friend. For a long while, I didn't upload my video. I miss you all, my friends. And I'm very happy I'm back right now. I will try to upload my video more often from now on. Maybe some video is short, but I will try my best to keep going. I wish you have a nice day. I see you in next video, and bye-bye.